Welcome to the future of your clinical laboratory. What if you could virtually eliminate manual work in your laboratory? Imagine automating almost every pre- and post-analytical task and potentially connecting all your systems to drive maximum efficiency. New Aptio Automation is a unified solution that enables virtually unlimited connection of systems and automated modules to transform lab operations. Aptio Automation has a common location for sample input and output and provides the most efficient management of priorities, repeats and overall sample flow. This unified solution also introduces the one-touch concept in the clinical lab by reducing the number of sample touches. This helps to increase productivity by reducing error risks and safety hazards. With its extremely fast bulk input module, the system allows sample loading without the need to place tubes in racks. Simply load up to 1000 tubes per hour into the module and it will place them onto the Aptio Automation track. The module accommodates multiple tube sizes simultaneously, eliminating the need to standardize tubes. Once the barcode is scanned, the system organizes the tube's workflow as needed. Aptio Automation's rack input module can handle up to 800 tubes per hour, supporting quick sample loading and high sample throughput. With this module, your clinical laboratory can benefit from enhanced productivity. With an input-output module, you can load sample tubes in various states, capped or uncapped, spun or unspun at the same time. And of course, tubes from different manufacturers in different sizes and types can also be processed simultaneously. In addition, samples can be sorted to other destinations within the lab thanks to the module's 15 sorting lanes. These lanes can be customized for either loading or unloading of sorted samples, according to the lab's requirements. The IOM also allows up to 3 different levels of prioritization, which enables rapid input and prioritization of stacked samples. With its capacity of almost 750 tubes per hour and the ability to manage sample inputs and outputs, the IOM offers long walkaway capacity while integrating serum, plasma, whole blood and urine sample management from a single point. The centrifugation module is another key component of Aptio Automation's unified solution. It supports high throughput workflow. Each module can process up to 300 tubes per hour. The module is refrigerated and allows for routine and stat sample management. It is as simple as stat in, first out. Also, the module can be configured for preparation of the most specialized samples. For increased flexibility and maximized productivity, Aptio Automation includes decapping capability. Each decapper module can decap up to 800 tubes per hour. The module accommodates various tube heights, diameters and brands, and works with both screw and snap caps. The decapper module features a bypass lane, so that tubes that do not need to be decapped simply move to their next destination. The Advia 2400 system can be connected to the track through point-in-space technology, enabling it to support very high-volume laboratories' demand for throughput. And the Advia 1800 system offers similar benefits, making it ideal for mid to large-sized laboratories. Within its small footprint, the Dimension Vista system seamlessly integrates 4 separate technologies: electrolytes, turbidimetry, nephelometry, and loci technology. The Dimension EXL system is a proven integrated analyzer built for mid-sized or stat laboratories. The Dimension EXL system with loci immunoassay technology can expand the panel, enhance quality, and increase the speed of the lab. The Advia Centaur XP system is broadly utilized for its large immunoassay panel and fast processing. The system operates with disposable tips and is suitable for very high workload laboratories. The Imulite 2000 XPI system supports a comprehensive panel of tests for allergies, prenatal screening, and other immunoassay tests. For hematology, Aptio Automation maximizes performance by integrating data from multiple Advia 2120i systems and even from different lab departments into a single fully automated process. This provides a configuration for the so-called whole blood area. The auto-slide staining and slide preparation system can be connected to one of the Advia 2120i systems. Tubes can be redirected to that system so they can be sampled again for further investigation. The Sysmex CS5100 system offers high-quality processing and very high workload capacity, even when connected to the track. Its point-in-space sampling technology maximizes the efficiency of sample management. This newest Siemens coagulation system is currently available only outside the United States. The tube sealer module can seal up to 600 tubes per hour. It places an aluminium foil seal on top of the tubes, which ensures preservation of the sample even in a refrigerated storage area. The seal also helps prevent serum from evaporating or concentrating due to the dry environment inside the refrigeration systems. Aptio Automation can effectively seal and unseal tubes up to 3 times, which helps maintain sample quality while offering maximum workflow flexibility. Multiple refrigerated storage modules can be connected to Aptio Automation, each with a capacity of up to 15,000 samples. Automated storage retrieval and disposal enables you to increase productivity. If a repeat test or a rerun is needed, the storage module can retrieve the tube automatically. For automated disposal, simply configure the expiration time of samples by a preset limit or by test type. This makes it easy to program sample disposal according to your lab's needs. The system automatically locates and disposes of expired samples into a waste container through a dedicated waste chute. The desealer module automatically removes the aluminium foil from sealed tubes, so that a potentially repetitive and hazardous process becomes safe and automated. Aptio Automation allows aliquoting from the primary tube. The aliquoter module generates secondary tubes for further tests to be performed on the same track or in other lab departments, or for tests that must be managed as send-outs. And the aliquot recapper module securely closes the secondary tubes coming from the aliquoter modules with screw caps to enable the samples to be safely sent to other processes or laboratories, or even frozen. Aptio Automation can also incorporate special track modules such as the L-turn, the T-turn and the U-turn modules, which allow the track to adapt to lab space constraints and workflow requirements. For example, the track can be configured to manage stat or specialty tests independently from others via special track routing options available with these modules. The adaptable Aptio Automation solution allows pre-placement of extra connectivity slots for seamless addition of further analytics. This design feature accommodates future growth without disrupting workflow. Here is an example of a system that can separate specialty samples from routine immunoassay samples using the U-turn module, even when both routine and specialty samples are loaded together onto the system. At the beginning of the track, there are analyzers for various disciplines, such as chemistry, hematology, and hemostasis. In this example, the blue specialty sample follows a completely separate loop than the green routine sample, which will be sent to the immunoassay analyzers connected to the left-hand side of the automation line. The new Aptio automation is a unified solution that combines peak performance, adaptability, and intelligent technology with Siemens workflow expertise to transform laboratory operations.